we were funded last session for a $23 million body-worn camera program for 23 maximum security units. That entails 12,000 cameras for uniformed staff on those 23 facilities. So the rollout will take us over a year to do. Our first maximum security unit already has their body cams in operation. The Polunsky unit, as of today, uniformed staff reporting to Polunsky will have a body cam assigned to them for their entire shift. Body cameras inside our agency are absolutely going to be a tool for transparency to show what our correctional staff deal with day in, day out, but also for investigations, de-escalation, and safety and security of our institutions overall. So when an officer reports, they will check out a body camera. It will be attached to their uniform and it will be recording their entire shift. Our policy does require that the body cam be put on sleep mode during strip searches to be in guidelines with PREA. The majority of our population is not aggressive, but we certainly have some that are. The individual that we're dealing with in a confrontational situation will see that all their actions are being recorded, and we believe and have seen already that it will de-escalate an event.
You can see when they look at you, the first thing they're going to do, they're going to look at your camera and see if the light is on. When they see the light being on, their whole demeanor changes immediately. They're going to start getting themselves in compliance, tuck their shirt in, fix their pants, do what they have to do, pop the collar down, and they're going to approach you with a different attitude.
The body cams will be a very valuable tool in those times of investigating allegations. At times, allegations that are not reported, and we do uncover that unfortunately they were not. But other times we have false allegations. And with our body-worn camera, the video will not lie. It resides on the cloud, it can't be tampered with. What we pull down during an investigation is actual footage from an event that we can determine the validity of an allegation, or with that if it's a false allegation.
I think everybody should be excited for the day where they have to wear the body-worn cameras. They're a huge improvement on your daily operations, on your day-to-day activities, and I'm on board 100%, and I think everybody else will get on board as soon as they start wearing them and see the difference on everybody's demeanor, employees and inmate population, because we are correctional professionals, and this is a reminder of what we do on a daily basis.